Elgato launches Stream Deck everywhere, new tools for all workflows. Elgato, the content creation brand under Corsair, has unveiled a major expansion of its Stream Deck ecosystem. The Stream Deck Everywhere initiative introduces 4 new products designed to extend customizable controls beyond content creation into virtually any environment. These integration-ready versions of Stream Deck come in 6, 15, or 32 key variants housed in aluminum enclosures. Designed for developers and DIYers, they allow embedding Elgato's keypads into custom builds or commercial devices. Pricing ranges from $49.99 to $199.99 USD, with bulk discounts for 5+ units. This solution enables Stream Decks to operate independently via Ethernet connections, including Power over Ethernet support. It's ideal for remote stations, kiosks, and rack setups with on-device IP configuration, shipping in August 2025 for $79.99 USD. This software-based control panel brings Stream Deck functionality to any screen without physical hardware. Initially available for existing Stream Deck owners and compatible Corsair device users, it's perfect for touchscreen monitors and minimalist workspaces. This variant offers a crisper alternative to traditional membrane buttons with shorter key travel and faster actuation. Designed for users who need speed in high-frequency workflows like editing and programming, it's priced at $149.99 USD and ships in 1 to 2 weeks. These innovations make Elgato's customizable controls accessible across home studios, broadcast booths, developer workstations, and embedded commercial systems, significantly expanding the Stream Deck's utility beyond its traditional creative applications.
Go to GearBrain for more information.